But was the teacher impregnates 3 students in one class. So ko edumako sorry, your commander. Edna Egwafo.
Okay.
Abrim. Commander Edna Egwafo Abrim mention mo. Fifi mantemo. Chechire ni yetumi anyam nkwada miensa.
Asemo kia.
Ewo class baako.
Class baako. No anyam nkwada miensa. Oya ne san.
Oya ne say.
Oh.
So kan sem de kire omo. Say my asumi yede.
Okay. Okay ho.
O say
kind sorry no.
They say be enkwala be empanimfo. Senya asem dani asem. It depends on the whole your relative. It depends the way asem dem. We be can I love you at na be mo asoma yo de. Ye be sika san dem mo asoma ye me de.
Okay.
Obi dey text message. Obi ane de man asoma.
Obi dey you are beautiful.
Exactly.
Okay.
Obi ane de ye kan asoma ye ne de.
Mate.
The Chronicle do Bokrata no was the Anglican priests sacked for casing students publicly. As I said, so yedi hon koma Reverend Labi, ya ne ho asem mo aba ne say empanimfo se be ya na dwuma won fa nto san so mafirihwehwem ase. Chronicle kronwa was 20,000 jobs up for grab as Agenda 111 kickstart. Nese Ghana man panyini tibi bo no moden 18 months ya wose wodi si honom na wodi asisi saya resabe 18 months nese afenefa nti o matwa homamu ya yemfa nse August bo so mi mo matwa homamu yi afi 2022 August nti afenefa de hoebe 2023 January
na
nese o mo pa to mama o yade ya watimi akom o mo kyeremu se so otimi wie sa Agenda 111 ya nwuma be ye empem ahanu 20,000 and ebetumi ayi ni tina.
Somo we di anjuma beba.
Beba. So work to be completed in 18 months. I see Attorney General so o chesi anka ni eCG boss so 70.7 million deal. Na enchiremu ni chiremu a amosi eCG adwumakuo no mampanyira da John Bahama breso no opanyira ono na wodi wo mu animu opanyini bo no homodin na ne wotumi toto was electrical material 2014 nim 70.7 million na ye jimi hwe mu no san fidie na asa ya mfa anya adwuma ana fidie no so aso de ama loan so de ide jese mfa so bi anse de ni suntie nei eji afrem penifo so mra no mechiechem de nti omo se sika botre no e de kwato san fidie na adwuma wo so omo de ye wo mo amfa anya daily graphic ni ye se no na mampanyi hye unisika untwa blocks ntoma no uniska unja blocks ejina se mampanyini behweso okuta ne drawer na mo atata so na ne wadane mesi ni wo hyehyɛ eti se de adwuma no ebesi akoso se de no mampanyini twa ahoma mu
adwa so ma me nem se onabo ntim for Johnny line no airdrop here enti yensan so enko no onabo ma me mo akwa ba bi kafra line no airdrop here yeah na me gidi se wahunu video St Monica's video a kwasi ade ya fi kwasi ade trend pa so I'm afraid back on no first as a deputy minister of education video no who is impansa na yaba say we so for honorable
in fact that video no as a film part it's a very unfortunate incident na and it's a so answer we so for na so sounds you be animal museum na oden kwala be fa sa kwan ne so wa brad do nyina so ehwe we twa video even ekukwa mu krampo na it is unacceptable and in the see and it has to be condemned in its entirety.
Okay, I don't know, sir. Where about ministry no more tension must start investigation be so far then magada and among ben crowd so na yen hwe say ministry no mo betu afasa nsemi ho
the decline no why so for asoro ebimu asoro no so mpenimfo ehu ye no one who say asofim is unfortunate idea ne wo mon church and the values they stand for ebebra and in one atwena sen issue statement me give this a copy of that statement. It is a very good decision omo ateki awo nhwehwemu bi aka bi anso omo guso a omo ayesa nhwehwemu on the part of education and so action ashase it's receiving a lot of action repemu no e bi anya na kra bi a na wotwe mu ye de ho whom we are in the actions we have taken so far and what we want to do further. The whole statement and so about Betuja. And it is receiving a lot of attention, a lot of corrective measures. Shushimu be as supposed to be underway. And we are sure the general public is at be as a baby. Now I am super edema ubibia or education stakeholder and be as of ubia or did you maybe school BMO at various levels, to me a deterrence. We must at all times be guided by ethics. Say the factor, the Marano assessor, and then said the guidelines, the chaplain, quite so fast, and Kuala, do my certain so on your monkey down with the quite so fast, all that will come to the light.
Okay,
we condemn that action. It's unfortunate, so for. Now over fast crimes, it's unfortunate.
Okay, but I'm just saying I'm the affected students and so psychologically and maybe omuhiano say it
it's very, very important.
Yeah.
The son said a ban is an OSHA video now. We are for the first reaction you get in the how would they be feeling by now? Now, phone incident number be viral and papa no dene fast, it's traumatizing. And we are engaging our counseling units there. And maybe a those affected and so all those decisions have been taken and all those actions are being taken.
Okay.
I will follow it through to make sure that the affected children and also the nursery counselor
okay.
Now, to me, the sound mind.
And I'm once in young fancy her now in Ghana court for Jumaso. Honorable. Honorable Reverend Intim Fojo, a deputy education minister, na yeneno atwetwen komono. Yan father bonkata na personal NC ha. Na fe Adom Sports page 1. Oma e krado, omo e wo me up pa. Na personal Star Assurance, your solid partner. CDG, we stand with you. Vodafone, together we can. Access Bank, more than banking. Na fe Latex from your partner.